I hate beauty tutorials. No matter how good their hair and makeup turns out, mine never looks the same. But like I always say, if it doesn't work out, there's always filters. It's not that I hate the girls on the videos. It's just what they do. How easy they make it look. The standards they've set for looking good, so now, even at my best, I still don't measure up. The brands they promote, like, who can afford that? You know how long it took me to get a knockoff Clarisonic? One day, when I'm ballin', I'ma go buy all the good stuff though, just to see. But in the meantime, I'll just keep trying to win these giveaways, like Sunkiss Albus. She gives away $100 organic skincare products. Lord knows I could use that. When I was a little girl, my sister told me I could use mayonnaise to condition my hair. Yeah, it used to stink. But ever since then, I've kind of taken a liking to natural products. I literally grocery shop with my hunger and my skin in mind. So when Clinique and all the other name brands decide to match the prices of egg whites and avocado, that's when I'll start listening. I always wonder the difference between big pores and small pores. Like, how can you tell? All I know is sometimes my pores look ugly and sometimes they look nice. This usually helps. I gotta admit, this was a good tutorial. It stinks and it takes forever, but it's worth it. Okay, what's next? Face mask, hair, makeup. What am I doing for jewelry? I need to hurry up. As long as I get done before he comes checking on me, I'm good, but I doubt it. It's all for him in the end. I know he says he loves me without it, but I can tell how he looks at me different when I've got it all done. And I ain't gonna front. I'd be hot if he took me to dinner with a nabby edge up and wrinkled clothes. So I guess it's worth it. This is the part where I start to question, is it worth it? If he could smile at me looking like this, what do I need lashes and lipstick for? But it's a big event tonight, and there are going to be cameras everywhere. Just go for it, Ruby. Just go for it. Hair, my so-called area of expertise. If only people knew how much I doubted myself, they'd know I was just like them, watching a new tutorial every 5 minutes, hoping to improve my skills. Honestly, if I could get Fabulosity as me to make me a wig and have me slayed daily, I wouldn't be putting this heat to my head. It's so damaging. And oh, peak meal. How I would love for that girl to bless my head with her hands. Everything about her is beautiful. It should be a crime to look that good. It's been about an hour, and I already feel like I need another shower. For the girls who do this on a daily basis, I applaud you. It's such a task, getting pretty. Thinking about how back in the day, roller sets and big curls were a thing. You couldn't be seen without it. Meanwhile, I go most days looking a hot mess. Only because I know that when I really put myself to the test, I can look like Beyonce. At least that's what I tell myself to get hype. One of these days, I'm going to invest in a makeup organizer. This is so annoying. It's like an extra 5 minutes of prepping my makeup before I can even get started. I wonder if the girls on the videos have all of this set up perfectly every day, all day. No wonder they're always beat. Speaking of beat, if I could get my girl Nisha to beat my face the way she did on my wedding day, I would be in heaven. But today, it's up to me. And Alyssa Ashley, Missy Lind, and Ellery. I mean, I just love watching these girls. Like, they really do their thing, for real. I ain't even gonna lie. Sometimes it's a little discouraging because they're so perfect, but I wouldn't have known I had semi-hooded eyes if it weren't for Alyssa. And Missy, and those cheekbones, Ellery, and those cheekbones. I don't even think they need to contour. Okay, before we do this, we need lighting. I'm really trying to figure out what these girls do for lighting. Like, who just has perfect lighting all the time? You know how many times I've screwed my whole look up simply because I wasn't lit enough? But not today, devil. Moisturizer. Feels so good to the face. Missy Lynn always talks about the Neutrogena Hydro Boost technology moisturizer, which I'm definitely going to get one day. But every time I'm at Walmart and I see that $18 price tag, I'm just like, bruh, this Pond's is going to have to do for a minute. Eyebrows are gonna be lit. Yes, I'm still using this old Milani set, but after watching a million eyebrow videos, I'd say I've gotten pretty good at it, even with the cheap stuff. If I don't get complimented on anything else tonight, at least I know my eyebrows will be popping. When my brother saw me doing my makeup, he said, "Wow, it's really like painting your face." And I was like, exactly. We paint our face like little kids at a carnival, only a lot less innocent and a lot more critical. We go layer by layer, product by product, color by color, and it's interesting because at the end of it all, we really just want to look natural. Funny. We do all this to achieve a natural finish. I think the kids know something we don't. When my eyes start to water, I know it's almost the end. Slowly, I'm starting to look like the girls on the screen. And although I struggle with eyeliner and reuse lashes to save money, when I step into the party, no one is going to know that it took this much doubt, discomfort, precision, and time to look this good. They'll assume I'm one of them, and I fit right in. My cheekbones will give me depth, and my highlighter will shine brighter in the flash of a camera phone than a diamond in the peak of sunlight. My lips will stain wine glasses and blow pretty kisses from afar. My hair will flow with the beat of the band, and my dress will glisten under the strobe lights. These heels will sting like needles from toes to my knees, but the calf definition is worth it to me. I guess I don't hate beauty tutorials after all. If the girls behind the camera had to go through this level of frustration to get as good as they are, then who knows? Maybe one day I will too. I don't hate beauty tutorials. Honestly, I don't know what I'd do without them.